5 years ago, I was held back in the 8th grade, and it was one of the worst moments of my life. I was constantly getting failing grades, and I was not doing well in school overall. Therefore, my mom placed me in Catholic school. I felt like I let my mother and my grandmother down, because they always wanted nothing but the best for me. I also felt like I had given up. I knew that I was not trying hard enough, but I never let that bring me down, and I never stopped giving up on myself. I promised myself I'd never fail again. One of my biggest motivations to succeed was my father. Even though he has never been in my life, I promised myself I would never let his presence, his absence, affect me. I would never use that as an excuse. When I was told that I would be the valued tutor for my class, I could not believe how much my hard work had paid off. I thought back to when I was held back in the 8th grade, and I couldn't have imagined how my life would be if it was not for that experience. It has taught me that it really is true when they say you have to almost fail in order to succeed. But most importantly, the importance of education. In order to succeed, I believe that you have to have a specific major goal that you set for yourself and constantly have it as a reminder in the back of your mind. That goal, regardless, can lead you to achieve anything. For me, my goal was to graduate from high school with honors. After completing high school, my new goal was to attend college and become a successful fashion stylist and entrepreneur. What you do after graduation will determine how you spend the rest of your life. The lesson learned is that our goals do not stop once achieved. I am hoping to see all of my classmates attend college because it is very important to have a career. It is beneficial for us to attend college because it helps you become financially stable in the future. It also helps us gain a better understanding of the world by showing us how the economy works. It also keeps us in control of our lives, but most importantly, achieve your goals. Graduation is the greatest moment of our lives, and it is a memory that will be stored in our minds forever. This is only the beginning, not an ending. Our next steps are college and getting our careers. We need to strive to become successful with our goals, chase our dreams, and find what it is that makes us happy. Congratulations, class of 2012, we did it.